Hey everybody, it's Ben here. It is a beautiful sunny day, which is fantastic because I installed solar on my garage about a year ago, and just today in the mail I got this month's electric bill. So let's take a look at how much money I'm already saving with solar. So just to start with, this really is my electric bill. I really haven't opened it yet. I really don't have any idea exactly what it's going to say, except it has been sunny this last month, so I know I've been making more power than what I've used. So let's open this up. And at the bottom, it should say how much I owe or am owed. And that number is total current charges, $18.07 credit. So not only am I not paying an electric bill this month, they owe me $18.07, and I already had a credit from the previous 2 months, which is brought forward, and that was a credit of $60.92. So at this point, the power company owes me $78.99. The power company owes me almost 80 bucks. I'm typically saving about $100 a month on my electric utility bill.